Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use dropship.io for your Chrome browser. First, tap on your search bar and type dropship.io and click enter. Now you will land on dropship.io website. Now, here you can see it's a simple website. You can simply sign in or you can start a free trial of dropship extension. Here is their pricing plan as a basic plan, which cost you for $39, then standard plan and premium plan. As you can see, you can also try a free trial of standard pack. You also can pay yearly. Now go to home page and here you can see install extension option. Just simply click on it and you will be redirected to Chrome web store and click on add to Chrome, and here give the permission to add this extension to your Chrome browser. And here you can see dropship extension has successfully added to your Chrome browser. I'm going to pin it and let's try this dropship extension here. But before, here you can see some details, some key features about dropship extension, like live sales tracker, store that get real-time updates on sales and revenue for any Shopify store, then historic sales data, analyze past sales trend for data-driven decisions, then Facebook ads collection, automatically save your Facebook ads to see what is working, then store analysis, understand Shopify stores better, including their product details and best sellers, then app discovery, find out what apps our competitors use to drive their sales, one click product import, import top products from competitors stores to your easily, and the last is niche finder, discover untapped profitable niches in the dropshipping market. Also, you can get more further information about this extension. I think this is a very useful extension for dropshippers. Now go to your regular or business Facebook account. Actually, dropship.io extension only works at Facebook, so you need to use this extension in facebook.com. Now, an important thing to note that if you have any ad blocker, then this extension won't work for you. You need to disable your ad blockers. Like I'm disabling my ad blockers here. After disable all your ad blockers that are added to your extension library, then you just can click on this dropship.io icon and you can see this is now working properly. This will show you today's saved ads data like ads found, advertisers found, and also the lifetime activity. And the most powerful feature is show only ads feature. Just turn this on to see all the ads connected to your dropshipping products that your competitors are using, and analyze the ads, how they are selling products, what are they selling on social media, and how is the activities going on, their dropshipping activities. You can just analyze it without any hassle. You don't need to search here and there. You don't need to analyze every and each competitor to by searching one by one. It is so easy and hassle free. You can also enable the auto scroll. You can scroll, it will provide you a automatic scroller that will scroll automatically for you. Hope now you can use this dropship.io extension on your Google Chrome browser. And if you have any question or any confusion left, then you can just drop them in the comments below. We will be glad to help you out. And if you like this video, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon for more informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.